Sanbonani, Sanbonani, welcome back to isiZulu with the Queen. Today ngithi hayibo, is your isiZulu showing you flames? Like ngisho from grade 4 to 12, is it like showing you the vava voom thing? Like you can't even believe it when you look at your result. Ngithi lalela mtaka gogo, I've got you. Just allow me to walk this journey with you. Allow me to take away the stress. We don't need stress. Stress is just not good for us. It is not good. Trust me. And trust me when I say isiZulu silula, isiZulu si easy. You just need the queen to just help you. Okay, I know. I know when it comes to studying, let's say maybe we are funda and you give it your all. But mama result ebuya. Uthole ukuthi uthole like 10 out of 20, 4 out of 10, and you don't understand. No, ngithi allow the queen to help you, especially with grammar, rules. Ish lezo zinto can be a struggle. For example, ngisho ukuthini, like let's say utsheliwe kuthiwa bhala imisho. Okay. And when in your head, like you've got this, ubhala imisho like ugogo lami uphuza itiye. Gogo. You are trying, but that's not correct. Or ubhala imisho like inja ugibela imoto lami. No, you tried, but it's still not correct. Ubaba uthathile imoto lakhe. It's still not correct. You can see ukuthi from lana wena you are just missing some of the very important rules you do not understand. And if you don't get these rules, lapaya on the senior prep level, oh, it becomes challenging, difficult, unless you fight. And then, unless you have the queen, of course, to walk this journey with you. So, really, allow me to just help you understand the rules because in ekushaya la, it's basically the noun classes, izigaba zamabizo. And if you don't understand izigaba zamabizo, you will never write a sentence to be correct. And by the way, these are just basic sentences. These are like the senior prep sentences. Imagine now when you have to put like isipawulo, an adjective. Now you're moving away from just ugogo lami uphuza itiye. You are saying ugogo wami omuhle uphuza itiye elimnandi. You see now, you need to understand where is the eli coming from. Why are we using the eli? Why are we saying omu, not ugogo oluhle? So those are just amabizo. It's understanding the family because each and every noun has a family in isiZulu. And based on the noun, you also get to be directed on which rule you are to use, whether it's an adjective, whether it is like adjectives or other things. Like for example, even this one, uphuza. Other students still get uphuza wrong. It might sound simple, but you need to understand the rules. Okay, so in short, I'm just saying, allow me to help you understand izigaba zamabizo. Because if you miss izigaba zamabizo, it's going to be difficult to understand why the sentences are written like that. So let's go to the correct slide that has the correct sentences. So it should be ugogo wami uphuza itiye, inja igibela imoto yami, ubaba uthathe imoto yakhe. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be, but it's not as easy as lemon squeezies. What peasy? That's what they say. Lemon squeezy, apple peasy, whatever they say. Yeah, you know what they say. So it's not a walk in the park. So I'm pleading with you to allow me to just help you work this journey with you, and then maybe you also struggle. Maybe you're okay with language rules because my rules, it's easy to master them once you usutole the routine or how things are. Maybe you struggle to summarize ukufinga uyapanika whenever you see something in the exam or psycho test where they say summarize this. Allow me to help you, because there you need to know your question words. You need to know how to take important parts from a passage that you are given. I can help you get your 10 out of 10. Or maybe you are also fine with all these things when you are just struggling to write an essay. You feel like your words are not enough. You feel like you can't express yourself for like amagama angamakhulu amabili, which is 200. You're like, duh, how am I supposed to do this? You can, hey? I can help you. Because when it comes to these things, all you need to know is amabizo. Those are nouns. So your vocab, I can help you even improve your vocab. I can just walk the journey with you where we're just practicing nouns, more nouns, and help you, give you activities, play games with you. I can help you do that. Or maybe you know all your nouns or most of your nouns, you're just struggling with izenzo, which are basically verbs. Or maybe you even know your verbs, you know, like more than 500 verbs. You are struggling with the rules, which are the language rules. Because all these things, they are meant to zisebenze ndawonye, to work together so that you can understand and be able to write a proper essay. Okay, sengikhulume kakhulu, but into ebalulekile engishoyo ukuthi hey, allow me to help you, allow me to just support you. And yeah, that's what I do. I specialize in isiZulu. I've been specializing in isiZulu. I love it with all my heart. So when I teach it, I make sure it's fun. Trust me, try one lesson and you want to come back the next lesson to be with the queen. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. I will see you next time. If you want my contact details, it's just please email nokupiwa@isizulututoring.com. Okay. Ngiyabonga, but yeah, the main thing is you can even write a comment on the comment section and I will help you with whatever you need help with related to isiZulu, of course. Ngiyabonga.